Всем привет! Вы на канале Fixzone.
Today we're going to show you how to watch the US version of Netflix on your Mac.
Let's get started.
First, you need to download a VPN to your Mac. Open your web browser and search for a VPN. For this example, we're using IPVanish VPN. You can find a link in the description or in the pinned comment to download it. To download the VPN, hover over Apps in the top navigation bar and click on the Mac option. On the Mac download page, click Download App. Choose where to download the installer. I'm going to download it to my desktop.
Once downloaded, open the installer. Drag and drop the IPVanish logo into the application folder.
This may take a few seconds to install depending on your Mac speed. After IPVanish is installed, exit the installer and delete it from your Mac if you want.
Now, open IPVanish. ILL open it through the launchpad.
Since it's our first time opening it, you'll get a prompt.
Click Open. You'll be taken to the IPVanish login screen.
Enter your account details and log in. If you don't have an IPVanish account, click the link in the description or pinned comment for a significant discount. When you log in for the first time, you'll be prompted to create a VPN configuration. Click Allow. Now you can start using the VPN as normal. But for this example, we want to access the US version of Netflix. Open your web browser and go to Netflix. Sign into your account and choose a profile. I found this works more reliably in Google Chrome, so that is what I am using.
Minimize your web browser.
Now, open the VPN. Click on Locations in the left-hand side menu. Choose a US server. There are multiple US servers. Choose the one closest to you. For this example, it's Boston. After a few seconds, you'll be successfully connected to that server, as if you're browsing the internet from that country.
Minimize the VPN, go back to your web browser, and refresh the page.
Once it refreshes, you'll notice it changes because we're now browsing the US version of Netflix. If I scroll down here it says, Top 10 TV Programs in the US Today. Select a TV program, and you can start watching it just like you normally would. And that's it. Remember to click the link in the description or the pinned comment to get an exclusive discount on your IPVanish account. If this video was helpful, please leave a like, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to Fixzone for more helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.